then they fall in the box. And then you might want to remove a few frames, 2 or 3 frames. Okay, so now this is where the fun begins.
Rowdy when they fall, but not here.
The important thing is you get as many bees as you can, because that way you increase your chances of getting the queen. And then if you get the queen in there, then all the bees will follow her. Another cool thing about catching swarms is every single time you do it is different. So this time I realized what might work is a funnel. So make a little funnel out of these frames. Gently, more gently. Someone might have to volunteer though.
Sure. If the cameraman can let me. Yeah. I will just let them fall. We can put the frames later.
Alright, here we go.
Got the thing.
So I hope ready. Actually, what? That was perfect. That was perfect. I just noticed there was another one underneath.